Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Looking to log into your Shopify admin in 2025, but want to make sure you're doing it the right way? Whether you're just starting out with Shopify or you want a quick refresher, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to access your Shopify admin dashboard securely and confidently, so you can manage your online store with ease. Let's jump in and walk through each step together. First things first, grab your computer, tablet, or mobile device and open up your favorite web browser, Chrome, Safari, Firefox, whichever you prefer. Head to www.shopify.com. Now, I know this sounds simple, but entering the correct URL is a key starting point. There are a lot of lookalike sites out there, so make sure you're going directly to Shopify's official website. It's kind of like arriving at the right building before you try and walk through the door. Having the right address matters. Once the Shopify homepage loads up, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the Login button. It might say Login or Sign In, depending on your location. This is your gateway to the admin area. Go ahead and click it. Sometimes you'll see other buttons like Start Free Trial, but for returning users, Login is always your go-to. Don't worry if the button takes a few seconds to load or if the page looks a bit different than last year's design. Shopify tweaks things every now and then to make the process smoother. After clicking Login, you'll be asked to choose your account. This is especially handy if you're juggling multiple Shopify stores or if you help clients manage theirs. If you see a list, just pause and scan for the right shop. Maybe your jewelry store, your local coffee roastery, whatever you're running on Shopify. If you only have one store, this will be super straightforward. Click the name or icon of your store so Shopify knows which dashboard to bring up for you. The next step is to select your email account, the one you used to sign up for Shopify. This is crucial. If you're not sure which email you used, try recalling your welcome email from Shopify, or look for any order notifications that come through. Logging in with the correct email helps make sure your data is secure and that you have the right permissions within the admin. Think of it like having the right key for a locked door. Without it, you won't get access. Shopify might prompt you to enter your password at this point or use two-factor authentication if you have that set up for extra security. If you ever forget your password, don't panic. Just click Forgot Password, and Shopify will walk you through resetting it. Once you confirm your email and, if needed, your password, you're in. You'll land right on your Shopify admin dashboard, where you can add products, view orders, tweak your store design, and everything else behind the scenes. It's that easy. Just a few clicks and you're ready to get to work growing your business. Take a moment to glance around and make sure everything looks familiar. And if anything's changed in the layout, don't worry. Shopify is always updating to make things smoother for store owners. Now you know exactly how to log into your Shopify admin, step by step, the right way for 2025. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's anything about Shopify you're still unsure about. I'm here to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy selling.